For those who are new on this channel, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for enjoying quality videos daily. So the Samsung Galaxy Note 9's screen protector is already leaked out. All credit goes to /leaks. The leak video confirms the design which was reported by the Ice Universe earlier this month, which means the bottom chain is still there and it will get removed with S10 only. The protector shows that the Note 9 is finally coming with a front dual camera setup, so portrait mode will be added now to the selfies. And this part here is the earpiece, and the hole on the left side of the earpiece is the proximity sensor. The two holes which are next to the proximity sensor are surely for 3D face recognition technology, as it was reported earlier by Bell that Samsung is developing its own 3D face unlocking technology, which is expected to debut with Note 9. Like iris scanner was introduced first with Note 7. But still, it's just a speculation, and take this information with a pinch of salt. So these were the points which I found with this 13-second video leak. After watching this, what are your thoughts on the Galaxy Note 9? Do let me know in the comment section below, and if you find this video interesting, do hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to get the latest leaks for Galaxy Note 9 in the coming future. Before you go out, here is a bonus for you: Galaxy S Lite luxury hands-on video. So this is all for today. I'll see you tomorrow in the next one. Until then, peace.